is recommended by Digestion because the health benefits of lentils are enormous. These nuts contain a high percentage of phosphorus and potassium, so this is so easy to digest and contains no fat that produces cholesterol. Another factor that is very important to eat lentil is not contain gluten and should be considered an excellent food for psoriasis. Lentil beans are considered among the beans that contain more antioxidant properties, high content of isoflavones, isoflavones, isoflavone is a great ally in preventing or inhibiting the growth of several types of cancer. Like nuts in general, the health benefits of lentil is significant. It's due to rich in vegetable protein, and lentil is the best alternative to foods that come from animals with cholesterol content. They can be eaten as a substitute for meat and fish dishes. The high content of dietary fiber in lentils help to regulate intestinal activity and to control the level of cholesterol in the blood. The fact that very few lentils contain unsaturated fats makes it possible to take precautions to several cardiovascular pathologists. Finally, the health benefit of lentil are slow down the absorption of carbohydrates by the body as a relief to those who suffer from diabetes. It's because of sugar of digestion. It's because the sugar of digestion are digested by the body very slowly so as to avoid blood glucose peaked. Lentil red beans, also known as mizu in Egypt, is widespread in the Middle East. Here, this is usually sold without bark. These vegetables are very low in fat and contain a little of good fats known as omega 3. Incredible health benefits of lentils. Number one, building fast muscle. One of the health benefits of lentil is muscle tone. Lentils contain more protein, which is important for building muscle and repairing the body. This benefit will be maximized in the sprouted lentils. This lentil contain all the essential amino acids which are essential for growth. Essential amino acid function for muscle formation and smooth body function. Control diabetes. Another benefits of lentil is being able to control the rise in blood sugar. Vegetables from the legume family are very rich in protein, and lentils are a grain that belongs to the legume category. Fiber-rich foods such as lentils are able to control the rise in blood sugar, not only rich in protein but also rich in fiber. Fiber is useful in slowing down the process of absorption of food by the blood, and this will maintain a constant stability of blood sugar. Third, good for improving digestive health. As we know that lentils are rich in fiber, so it is good food for digestion. Fiber aids bowel movement and facilitates the elimination of waste. Eating lentil can sometimes cause gas and bloating, but you can soak them first so they are easier to digest. Fourth, good for heart health. Lentils are grains that are rich in protein and low in fat, so they are good for heart health. Lentils are foods that contain magnesium, potassium, and both are beneficial for relaxing the heart muscle. These foods are also useful in lowering blood pressure. Fifth, as an anti-cancer food. Research shows that the content of plant lectins, which are similar to vegetable proteins, can provide benefits in influencing cancer cells. Similar lectins are also present in other types of legumes such as wheat, peanuts, peas, and soybeans. Research says that lectins cause cytotoxicity and apoptosis. That is, lentils have a great influence on the destruction of cancer cells. Sixth, prevent atherosclerosis. Health benefits of lentil to prevent atherosclerosis A study conducted by Dr. Yu at the Department of Cereal and Food Science in North Dakota, USA says that consuming lentil is the best way to include antioxidants that are beneficial for preventing the development of atherosclerosis. The benefits of antioxidants are to neutralize free radicals and prevent cell and gene damage. Seventh, benefits of lentils are as a source of folic acid. If you consume foods rich in folic acid, then this is one of the best choices to meet the body's nutritional needs for folic acid. It is good source of B complex vitamins. For pregnant women, folic acid is very important to prevent smallpox birth. Research shows that lack of the folic acid supply for pregnant women can cause neural tube defects. Lentils are grains that are rich in folic acid. This is also important in maintaining the stability of homocysteine. Folic acid is also known as an important substance in fighting hypertension and DNA damage, so it can also prevent cancer. 8. Good for nervous system health. It has long been believed that micronutrients such as mineral and vitamin do not affect the brain function. But recent research shows that for the proper functioning of the brain, vitamins and minerals have their own influence. The vitamins and minerals in lentils are essential for the optimal functioning of the brain. This is according to the results of research conducted by J.M. Borne at the Department of Neuropharmaconutrition at Fernand Bidal Hospital in Paris. Ninth, help lose weight. Lentils are a grain that is rich in fiber, which, if consumed regularly, can help with weight control and can increase satiety. Well fiber rich foods like lentils contain a lot of fiber which can fill you up. This will reduce your snacks and your meal portion. You may also like peanuts health benefits and nutrition value. The benefits of eating walnut during pregnancy, lentil soup calories and micronutrient fact. 10th, possibly contains iron. The potential iron content in lentil is very high and this is important for producing sufficient hemoglobin. By eating only 200 grams of lentils per day, we have included about 36% iron. 11th, increased body metabolism. Lentils are food rich in vitamins including vitamin B3, which benefits are to improve digestion and the body's nerves. Among the benefits of vitamin B is controlling cholesterol and lipids. Side effects of lentils. Lentils are not only rich in health benefits, they are also the best substitute for meat, fish, and poultry. However, this grain also has drawbacks or some side effects. Lentils are the same as soybean and peanuts bitter, which, if eaten continuously, can cause kidney stones. This is due to the high concentration of oxalic acid in lentil. If you have kidney stone, then you should stay away from lentils. Besides the risk of kidney stones, eating too many lentils can also cause kidney problems due to the excess protein. The average body requirement for protein is 0.8 grams per 1 kg of body weight. If you consume protein-rich foods in excess, it can suppress the kidneys in removing excess protein from the body. If the kidneys are constantly removing protein, it can cause damage to the kidney. Another side effect of lentil is that they cause gas. Eating fiber-rich foods, if not balanced with adequate water, it can cause gas build-up. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, comments, and share.